So, could a totally free open source application really go head to head with the titans of Wall Street? It sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, today we're diving deep into Fincept Terminal, a project that's aiming to do exactly that.
But first, let's ask a fundamental question. Why is it that the best, most powerful tech in finance has always felt like a secret? Accessible only to the people who can afford a ticket into the world's most exclusive club.
For as long as any of us can remember, it's been a walled garden. If you wanted the institutional-grade analytics, the real-time data, the kind of tools that actually move markets, you had to shell out tens of thousands of dollars a year. And that has kept all that power in the hands of a very select few, leaving students, regular investors, and even smaller firms pretty much on the outside looking in.
But what if we could just tear down those walls? Well, that is the exact idea, the core mission behind Fincept Terminal. It's a powerful, modern finance application that's setting out to democratize financial intelligence for everyone.
And this quote right here, this captures the entire philosophy of the project. It's so much more than a tagline. It's a promise. The goal is to just get rid of those artificial barriers to data and analytics. So the only thing holding you back is how good your own ideas are.
So how do they pull this off? Well, for starters, this isn't some slow, clunky web app. No way. Fincept Terminal is built with high-performance native C++ code. And what that means for you is that it's incredibly fast. There's none of that lag you get from so many web-based tools. It's just a single, powerful application that runs right on your machine, built for pure performance from the ground up. Okay, so what does all that performance actually get you? Well, you're essentially getting a professional-grade quantitative analysis lab right on your own computer. Let's take a look at the kind of firepower this thing is packing.
Honestly, the feature list here is just staggering. You get access to professional CFA-level analytics. That means you can run the exact same discounted cash flow models and portfolio optimizations that analysts at major banks are using every single day. It has real-time trading with 16 different brokers and even has a whole suite of tools from the world of hardcore quantitative finance for deep risk analysis. It even pulls in global intelligence, letting you analyze supply chains by tracking actual ships at sea. This is not a toy. It is a professional toolkit made for everyone.
And let's zoom in on those AI agents for a second, because this is wild. This isn't just some generic chatbot. You can literally tap into the investment frameworks of legends like Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Benjamin Graham to analyze any opportunity. Just think about that. It's like having a council of the world's greatest investors on your desktop, ready to give you their take on an idea.
And all of this incredible analytical power is being fed by over 100 different data connectors. This thing pulls in information from everywhere, from the usual suspects like Yahoo Finance, all the way up to institutional giants like the World Bank and the IMF. So yeah, when they say the data isn't the limit, they really, really mean it.
Okay, at this point, you're probably asking the same exact thing I was. If this is so powerful, how on earth can it be free? What's the catch? There's always a catch, right? Well, that brings us to their licensing model.
So here's how it works. Fincept Terminal is dual licensed. For you, for me, for students, researchers, individual investors, it's completely free under an open source license. Simple as that. Now, for businesses, hedge funds, and big institutions that want to use it commercially, they need to purchase a commercial license. And that's the business model. It's how the project sustains itself, by serving the community for free while charging the institutions that can absolutely afford to pay.
And this isn't some static project that's just finished. Oh no. It's a living, breathing platform with a super ambitious vision. Let's just take a quick peek at the roadmap.
I mean, they've already delivered an incredible amount of stuff, but look what's coming down the pipe. An options strategy builder, tools to manage multiple portfolios, expanding to over 50 AI agents. And that's just by 2026. Further out, they're planning a mobile app, cloud sync, and even a marketplace for community-built tools. The momentum here is absolutely undeniable.
So, all of this really boils down to one big question. For decades, finance has been dominated by closed, proprietary systems. Projects like Fincept Terminal are a fundamental challenge to that whole model. They suggest that maybe the collaborative, open nature of open source isn't just a quirky alternative, but the actual future of financial tech. So, what do you think?